I am Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. Now I am going to discuss about case study on maxima and minima. Problem statement 1. A rectangular box open at the top is to have a volume of 32 cc. Find the dimensions of the box that requires the least material for its construction. Here they have given rectangular box have a volume of 32 cc. We are supposed to find the dimensions of the box, that means length, breadth and height of the box that requires the least material for its construction. Before solving this problem, we should know maximum value, minimum value, extremum value, necessary conditions for maxima and minima, and Lagrangian method. Maximum value. F of a comma b is the maximum value of f of x comma y if there exists some neighborhood of the point a comma b such that every point a plus h comma b plus k of the neighborhood f of a comma b must be greater than f of a plus h comma b plus k. That means comparing to some neighborhood f of a comma b must be greater. Next, minimum value. F of a comma b is the minimum value of f of x comma y if there exists some neighborhood of the point a comma b such that every point a plus h comma b plus k of the neighborhood f of a comma b less than f of a plus h comma b plus k. Next, extremum value. F of a comma b is said to be an extremum value of f of x comma y if it is either a maximum or a minimum. Next, necessary condition for a maximum or a minimum. Fx of a comma b equal to 0, fy of a comma b equal to 0. Here fx represent the derivative of f with respect to x. Fy represents the derivative of f with respect to y. Next, method of Lagrangian multiplier. Suppose we require to find the maximum and minimum values of f of x comma y comma z, where x comma y comma z are subject to a constrained equation g of x comma y comma z equal to 0. Keep this as equation 1. We define a function capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to small f of x comma y comma z plus lambda into g of x comma y comma z, where lambda is a Lagrangian multiplier which is independent of x comma y comma z. The necessary condition for a maximum or minimum are fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0 and fz equal to 0. Keep this as equation 2, 3 and 4. Solving the 4 equations for 4 unknowns lambda comma x comma y comma z, we obtain the point x comma y comma z. The point must be a maximum or minima. This method is also applicable when we have more than one constrained equation connecting the variables. Next, solution to the problem 1. Let x comma y comma z be the length, breadth and height of the rectangular box. Here they have given surface area f which is unknown value. Unknown value will be take it as f. The rectangular box is open at the top, so surface area f will be take it as xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, and the known value volume which will be take it as g here. So g equal to xyz equal to 32. Now let us consider the function capital F is equal to small f plus lambda into small g. So capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to xy plus 2yz plus 2xz plus lambda into xyz minus 32. Now fx, that is equal to dou f by dou x. Differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get y plus 2z plus lambda into yz. Next, fy, that is equal to differentiating 1 partially with respect to y, we get x plus 2z plus lambda into xz. And fz equal to differentiating 1 partially with respect to z, we get 2x plus 2y plus lambda into xy. When f is extremum, fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0 and fz equal to 0, which implies y plus 2z plus lambda yz equal to 0, which implies x plus 2z plus lambda xz equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus lambda xy equal to 0. Now fx equal to 0 means this equation will become 1 by z plus 2 by y, which is equal to minus lambda. Fy equal to 0 means this equation will become 1 by z plus 2 by x equal to minus lambda. Fz equal to 0 means this equation will become 2 by y plus 2 by x equal to minus lambda. So keep this equation 3, 4 and 5. From 2 and 3 we get 1 by z plus 2 by y equal to 1 by z plus 2 by x, which implies 2 by y equal to 2 by x and x equal to y. Keep this as equation 5. From equation 3 and 4 we get 1 by z plus 2 by x equal to 2 by y plus 2 by x, which implies 1 by z equal to 2 by y. So we get y equal to 2 by 2 into z. Keep this as equation 6. From 5 and 6 we get x equal to y equal to 2z. Here they have given volume xyz equal to 32. So replacing x and y by z we get 2z into z equal to 32. Finally we get 4z cube equal to 32 means z equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 4, y equal to 4, z equal to 4. Cost minimum when x equal to 4, y equal to 4 and z equal to 2. Thus the dimensions of the box are 4, 4, 2. Next, problem statement 2. Find the dimensions of the rectangular box without top of maximum capacity with surface area 432 square meter. Here they have given the rectangular box whose surface area equal to 432 square meter. We are supposed to find the dimensions of the rectangular box and also the maximum volume of the box. Solution to the problem. Let us consider x, y, z be the length, breadth and height of the rectangular box. Here the unknown function is volume. We have to maximize the volume. For that we consider f is equal to x, y, z and the given value is equal to surface area. So here the surface area G is equal to, it is open at the top, so G equal to xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, that is equal to 432 square meter. So f of x comma y comma z equal to f of x comma y comma z plus lambda into g of x comma y comma z. Now capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to x y z plus lambda into xy plus 2yz plus 2xz minus 432. Now fx equal to dou f by dou x. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x, we get yz plus lambda into y plus 2z. Next fy is equal to dou f by dou y. That means differentiating 1 partially with respect to y, we get xz plus lambda into x plus 2z. Next fz equal to dou f by dou z. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to z, we get xy plus lambda into 2x plus 2y. When f is extremum, fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0, fz equal to 0, which implies yz plus lambda into y plus 2z equal to 0, xz plus lambda into x plus 2z equal to 0, xy plus lambda into 2x plus 2y equal to 0. Fx equal to 0 means with this equation will become 1 by z plus 2 by y equal to minus 1 by lambda. Fy equal to 0 means this equation will become 1 by z plus 2 by x, which is equal to minus 1 by lambda. Fz equal to 0 means this equation implies 2 by y plus 2 by x equal to minus 1 by lambda. Keep this as equation 3, 4 and 5. From 2 and 3 we get 1 by z plus 2 by y equal to 1 by z plus 2 by x, 2 by y equal to 2 by x, which implies x equal to y. Keep this as equation 5. From 3 and 4 we get 1 by z plus 2 by x equal to 2 by y plus 2 by x, 1 by z equal to 2 by y, which implies y equal to 2z. Keep this as equation 6. From 5 and 6 we get x equal to y equal to 2z. Here they have given surface area value is equal to xy plus 2 yz plus 2 zx equal to 432. Now we replace x and y by z. We get 4z square plus 4z square plus 4z square equal to 432. That means 12z square equal to 432. So z square equal to 36, which implies z equal to 6. From this we have x equal to 12, y equal to 12 and z equal to 6. Thus the dimensions of the box are 12, 12, 6. So the maximum volume equal to xyz, that is equal to 12 into 12 into 6, that is equal to 864 cubic meters. Now the applications of maxima and minima in daily life. Manufacturing business, it is usually possible to express profit as a function of the number of units sold. Finding a maximum for this function represents a straightforward way of maximizing profits. In other cases, the shape of a container may be determined by minimizing the amount of material required to manufacture it. The design of piping systems is often based on minimizing pressure drop, which in turn minimizes required pump sizes and reduces cost. The shapes of steel beams are based on maximizing strength. Thank you.